If you're looking for a new credit card, you may have found it difficult to figure out which card best fits your needs, especially with the countless ads boasting things like 0% interest and no fees. As you may have suspected, most of these offers have a lot of caveats and limitations in the fine print. It is true that there are some good deals to be found, especially if your credit score is strong. So it's important to carefully analyze all terms and conditions of any card before you apply. It's best to make a chart comparing the features of multiple cards side by side. Here are some key items to consider. Annual fees. Some banks charge a fee for using their card. Many cards don't have annual fees, so shop around. Cash advance fees. This will either be a flat rate or a percentage of the advance amount. It's always best to avoid cash advances from credit cards, but it's good to know what the fee will be in case you're in a pinch. Late payment penalties, including fees and increases in interest rate, are also important to know up front. And be sure to check for similar fees imposed for exceeding your credit limit. Balance transfer fees paid on balances moved over from other cards, as well as minimum finance charges incurred when you carry over a balance, should also be considered. Once you've done your research, it's a good idea to call your current credit card issuer to ask if they will match any favorable terms offered by other cards. And remember, make sure to check the time limits and other fine print attached to those too-good-to-be-true introductory offers. Usually that 0% APR is shortly followed by a rate that is much higher than what you could get from another card. At Robbins Financial Credit Union, we take a very different approach. Our priority is our members, which is why our cards compare so strongly. Our members enjoy the lowest rates possible and low to no fees. Plus, the terms of our cards are clear and stable from the beginning. When you compare our cards to the rest, you'll be happy to find that, just like everything else at Robbins Financial, our credit cards work for you. For more information, call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.